Hey guys, my name is Elizabeth Such, and today I went ahead and created this eye look using the newly launched Zodiac Cancer palette and brush set. The Mini Cancer palette is a continuation of our Zodiac series specifically designed for the Cancer personality. Cancers fall under the water sign with their main colors being white and silver. The palette includes a white baked shade that can be used as an inner corner highlight topper over any eyeshadow or cheek highlighter. Also available now, we have the Zodiac 6-piece brush set, which includes all the essential brushes you'll need to create a complete eye look. Although the brush set only includes 6 brushes, brush number 1 can double as a blending and highlighting brush. Mixing the dark brown and coral shade, I'm going to apply that into my crease using Zodiac brush number 2. Coral shade and Zodiac brush number 4, I'm going to place that right on top of where we applied the crease color. We're going to grab our Studio Pro concealer in the shade 100 and our Zodiac brush number 3 and cut our crease. Using the same brush number 3, I'm going to grab that coral shade and pack it all over the concealer. Taking brush number 2, I'm going to dip into the black shimmery shade and apply that to the outer corners of my eyes. Going back into the dark brown shade, I'm going to use brush number 4 to apply that to my lower lash line. Taking brush number 3, I'm going to grab the coral shade and apply it to our lower lash line. Lastly, I'm going to take my brush number 5 and dip into the center shade and apply this to the inner corners of my eyes. And here we have the final look using the newly launched Zodiac Cancer palette. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now don't forget to hashtag BH Cosmetics so we can see your creations.